Anyone define the variable? Isabella? Standard mathematics.
First board ನೋಡೋದು ಆಯ್ತಾ
Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Anyone define the variable? Isabella? Standard mathematics. Alphabets like X, Y, and Z are present in text. Yes, good. In today's class, we are learning about the polynomial in one variable. Listen to repeat the answer. Define the variable. Alphabets like X, Y, and Z are present in text. Good. Variables like X, Y, up to Z. Okay. What is polynomial? Anyone? Polynomial is an algebraic expression that contains variable with the whole number of exponents. Can you give example of algebraic expression? Comment that. Very good. Okay. But one mistake. Equals to nothing. Okay. This is the algebraic expression. But this is the polynomial. Yes or no?
Yes.
is this the polynomial
And this equation.
is this equation
Polynomial yes or no? Yes. Good. Why? Because it contains variable and constant. Whole number power is 2. Whole number power 2. Yes, correct. Another example. 2x plus root x plus 1. This is the polynomial. Yes or no? Yes, good. This is not a polynomial. Why? It contains one variable. It contains only one variable. One variable in there. But why?
Root x.
One condition is the whole numbers has exponents activate. Root x written has x power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a whole number.
No.
1 by 2 is a fractional number. Okay, na? Hagagi no? It is not a polynomial. For example, this polynomial is polynomial in one variable.
No.
Why? Contains two variables x and y. What are those? X and y. Yes, good, very good. Clap for Isabella. There are 3 types of polynomials. First one is monomial. Mono means
1.
yes. Polynomial having only one term. Okay, na? For example, this polynomial. How many terms in this polynomial?
3 terms.
What are those? 3x cube, 2y, 3x cube, another 2y, x example of polynomial 3x plus y. Can you stand 3x plus y? 3x plus y. And next 2x square. 2x square plus 3. But the correction is x in one variable. Okay, good, very good. Next, trinomial. Tri means
3.
3. Polynomial having 3 terms. Okay. Give an example of trinomial, Nagashmi. 2x plus 5y. 2x plus 5y. In one variable. One variable. It contains one variable. 2x plus 5x. 5x plus 3x. Plus 3x. Okay, good. Very good. Clap for Nagashmi. Is x plus 1 by x a polynomial? Yes or no? Padma? Yes or no?
Yes.
Why?
Because x is only one variable.
Nisarga? Why? Fraction. Yes, good. Clap for Nisarga. 1 by x written as x power minus 1. Minus 1 is a whole number?
No.
No. Minus 1 is a
Integer.
This polynomial is not a polynomial. What is polynomial? Nisarga? Stand up. Combination of variables and constants. And with condition whole number, the power should be whole number. That's good. Give an example of monomial, Padma.
3x plus 1.
Two terms are written. Polynomial having only one term. Monomial.
5x plus
5x.
5x.
Okay, it's okay. Good. Next, I will do some problems. Which one is polynomial? Not polynomial.
Y plus 7 is not a polynomial. That contains a root.
Yes. Good.
This is a polynomial.
That's good.
This is a polynomial.
That's good. Good program.
This is the example of polynomial.
Very good. In today's class, we have learned